All right, here we are. World War II Jeep in it. J. Meldrum at the wheel. There we go. We got third gear. We're going a whole 15 miles an hour. Hang on for your life. No seat belts. No safety equipment. This is the way they did it in 1943. What do you think?
I love it. I know it wasn't the right war, but I want to sing "Suicide is Painless." This is tougher. They had Jeeps in Korea, right?
What's that?
They had Jeeps in Korea.
Oh yeah, we had Jeeps in Korea. A lot of people call these Jeeps MASH Jeeps. But actually they started in World War II. 1941 was the first year of production, and this is a 1943 model. So it would have been correct for Master Sergeant Charles Meldrum over in the European theater. And we're gonna fix this one up so it looks just like Dad's. Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage, and today it was Meldrum's Monster Garage times 3. So I had my brother Jay come down from Michigan. He wanted to help out with the Jeep, and we recruited my brother Rick right down the street. And we managed to get the whole front clip off of the Jeep. Of course, the goal here is we're going to replace the whole body with this new body over here. So it's going pretty good. We had a few hiccups. But we got her off there. We got the hood off and got the fenders off, and we are going to take the body off tomorrow. So there's a few things I need to do is disconnect the exhaust pipe down there because that's attached to the body. I need to disconnect the steering wheel, and I think the pedals down there. I just need to take the pedal off, and then the body should lift off. Most of these body bolts I was looking at are totally rusted away. And the hat channels is what they call them. Like on this fender here, the hat channel is this centerpiece here. And this one's really badly rusted, and it will need to be replaced. But you can do that. And we're going to take this stuff, and like the hood, we'll go get it sandblasted, and the fenders, and then we'll see where we go from there. But yeah, got a license plate for it, so it can go down the road now. Well, it did. We actually drove it around a little bit this morning. I've been keeping this thing together until Jay got here and was able to drive it. And now that he's driven it, it's time to go into total restoration mode. So stick with us. All right, brought the Jeep frame up for a little bath. Hopefully we'll get rid of a lot of the loose dirt and rust and stuff like that. So we can get to cleaning on this frame a little bit better. I think a lot of this stuff should come off pretty easy. All right. Let's give it a try. Let's give her a whirl. Here we go. We got the Jeep all cleaned up, and I don't know whoever goes over there. They're there in the morning, they're there in the afternoon, lunchtime, whatever. I don't know what they're doing. If this is somebody's works somewhere, get them back at work, please. I don't know. My complaint for the day. Anyway, Mark Meldrum, Meldrum's Monster Garage. We're working on this 1943 Jeep, and we just got back from power washing it, and so now things are a little bit better. Things are a little cleaner, and we're gonna get her off the trailer and back into the garage. So we got all the major dirt, let's say, off of this thing, and I don't know. Got a lot more cleaning up to do before we put some paint on it, but yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad.